Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter what you do, life isn't moving forward? What if I told you the secret to unlocking your potential isn't in your circumstances, your job, or even your skills, but in your mindset? Yes, your mindset shapes your reality, and transforming it could be the single most powerful thing you ever do. Today we're diving deep into Jim Rohn's timeless strategies to completely change the way you think, act, and achieve. Watch till the end, because by the last minute you'll know exactly how to start winning in life today. 1. Awareness. Recognize your current mindset. Awareness is the beginning of all transformation, the quiet but powerful moment where you finally stop moving on autopilot and begin to observe the inner workings of your own mind. Most people go through life reacting rather than thinking, blaming circumstances, people, or luck for their results, and never stopping long enough to study the thoughts that shape all their decisions. Awareness requires you to pause and ask, what is the story I keep telling myself? Am I approaching life as a victim who feels powerless, or as a creator who accepts responsibility for my outcomes? This distinction is the foundation of mindset work, because every belief you hold about yourself, about others, about what is possible, either empowers you or traps you. When you start noticing your thoughts without judgment, patterns begin to reveal themselves. The excuses you repeat, the fears you hide behind, the negative assumptions that appear automatically in certain situations, and the habits of doubt that have been running quietly in the background for years. Awareness turns the unconscious into the conscious. It shines a flashlight on your inner world, so you can see what has been shaping your outer world. This is not a one-time event, but a daily practice. Throughout your day, catch yourself in moments of stress, irritation, procrastination, or self-criticism and ask, why am I thinking this way? Where does this belief come from? Is it helping me or limiting me? Even simply labeling your thoughts, this is fear, this is insecurity, this is avoidance, begins weakening their control over you. Instead of being lost inside the thought, you become the observer of it, and the observer always has choices. The goal is not to force positivity or suppress doubt, it is to understand yourself so clearly that unhealthy patterns cannot operate in the dark anymore. With enough awareness, you begin to see that the majority of your limitations were inherited from childhood, from society, from past failures, or from moments where you felt powerless. But awareness gives you the power to rewrite those narratives. You realize that many of your thoughts are not truths but habits, and like all habits, they can be changed. Over time, you start catching yourself sooner and sooner, before the negative spiral begins, before the excuses take shape, before fear convinces you to stay small. You begin to notice opportunities you used to overlook, perspective shifts you never considered, and strengths you didn't know you had. Awareness gives you vision, and vision gives you direction. In the same way that you cannot fix a problem you refuse to see, you also cannot grow into the person you want to become without first acknowledging where you truly are. By consciously observing your mindset every day, you create the foundation for meaningful change. And once you are aware, truly aware, you can no longer pretend that your thoughts are random or uncontrollable. You see clearly that your mindset is something you can shape, refine, and strengthen. This is the first step toward transforming your life. 2. Decision. Commit to change. Decision is the moment where awareness turns into action, where understanding your mindset becomes a commitment to shaping it. Many people want change, hope for change, even talk about change, but very few decide to change. A real decision is not a wish or a half-hearted promise. It is a firm internal shift where you close the door on your old patterns and choose a new direction for your life. When you make a true decision, you stop entertaining alternatives that contradict your goal. You stop negotiating with your excuses. You stop letting temporary emotions control your long-term vision. A decision is the mental contract you sign with yourself, a promise that you will do what is required, not just what is easy or comfortable. And this matters because transformation is impossible without commitment. You cannot develop a stronger mindset if you keep falling back into the habits of your old one. You cannot create a new identity while holding on to the behaviors that fit the old identity. The moment you decide to take full responsibility for your life, everything changes. How you respond to setbacks, how you interpret challenges, how you use your time, and how you treat your goals. A strong decision generates a sense of inner clarity. It eliminates confusion and makes your life simpler because you stop questioning whether you should act. You already decided. Now your only job is to follow through. This is why great achievers emphasize decision as the turning point, the moment they stopped waiting for the perfect circumstance and started building it. Decision activates your inner strength. Even when fear shows up, the decision keeps you steady. Even when doubt appears, the decision reminds you of who you are becoming. Even when the path becomes difficult, the decision pulls you forward. Many people fail not because they lack ability, but because they never truly decided. They tried change, tested it, experimented with it, but they didn't commit. Trying carries hesitation, deciding carries power. When you decide, you no longer identify as someone hoping for transformation, you identify as someone creating it. This shift in identity influences every thought and every action that follows. A strong decision reshapes your habits, your expectations, your level of discipline, and the standards you hold for yourself. It sets the tone for your future. But decision is not only about choosing to grow, it is about choosing to face discomfort. Growth requires you to confront limiting beliefs, to let go of familiar patterns, and to challenge yourself in ways that feel uncomfortable at first. If you only commit when you feel motivated, your results will always be inconsistent. A real decision carries you through the days when motivation disappears, because motivation fades but commitment remains. The decision becomes your anchor. It becomes the reason you persist, the reason you rise after setbacks, the reason you stay focused even when distractions pull at you. And the beauty of decision is that it doesn't require perfection, it only requires sincerity and persistence. Once you decide who you want to become, you align your behaviors with that choice. You remind yourself daily that your life will rise or fall to the level of your decisions. When you commit fully, life begins responding in new ways because your energy, actions, and mindset all move in one direction. Decision is the spark that lights the fire of transformation, and once the fire is lit, it becomes very difficult to extinguish. 3. Habits. Build empowering routines. Habits are the backbone of a powerful mindset, the daily actions that solidify your identity and shape your future, one small decision at a time. While awareness shows you where you are and decision declares where you intend to go, habits are the bridge that takes you there. People often underestimate the importance of habits because they seem simple, repetitive, and unremarkable. But your life is not changed by big moments. It is shaped by the small, silent routines you practice every day. Your habits determine how you think, how you respond to challenges, how much discipline you develop, and how consistently you pursue your goals. When you build empowering routines, you slowly rewire your brain to operate from strength rather than fear, from clarity rather than confusion, from intention rather than impulse. The key is to start small but stay consistent. You don't need to meditate for an hour. Start with 5 minutes. You don't need to read an entire book every week. Read 10 pages a day. You don't need to write a detailed life plan. Simply list your daily targets every morning. What matters is not intensity but repetition. Every time you repeat a positive habit, you reinforce the identity of someone who acts with purpose. Over time, these small actions compound, shaping your mindset and building the momentum that leads to meaningful change. This is how confidence grows, not from one huge breakthrough but from showing up for yourself day after day. Think of habits as mental training. When you practice gratitude, you train your mind to look for opportunities rather than problems. When you review your goals daily, you train your mind to stay focused rather than scattered. When you exercise regularly, you train your mind to push through resistance instead of giving up. Each habit is a mental rep that strengthens your inner resilience. And just as fitness improves with consistent training, mindset strengthens with consistent routines. But building new habits also requires removing the ones that drain your energy. Identify the behaviors that keep you stuck, scrolling endlessly, procrastinating tasks you know matter, surrounding yourself with negativity, avoiding responsibility, or feeding self-doubt. Replace these with habits that elevate you. For example, replace complaining with problem-solving, replace comparison with self-improvement, replace laziness with structured action, and replace fear with preparation. Over time, this shift in habits creates a shift in identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who wishes for change and start seeing yourself as someone who creates it. The process may feel slow, but it is powerful. Habits make success predictable. They transform it from a mysterious achievement into the natural result of disciplined living. And when your habits align with your goals, your mindset becomes unstoppable. You begin to trust yourself because you see yourself consistently taking action. You build inner strength because your daily routines teach you discipline. You grow mentally tougher because your habits prove that you can push through discomfort. In the end, your habits shape your destiny. They determine whether you rise or stay stuck, whether you evolve or repeat the past, whether you thrive or simply survive. Success is not magic, it is the compound effect of daily discipline, practiced long enough to transform your thinking and your life. 4. Perspective. Embrace challenges as growth. Life will always place obstacles in your path, not as punishments but as invitations to rise. Every challenge you face, no matter how big, inconvenient, or painful, carries within it the seed of opportunity. The Stoics believed that the obstacle is the way, meaning the struggles you confront are the very instruments that shape you into someone stronger, wiser, and more capable. When you shift from seeing difficulties as threats to recognizing them as catalysts, you stop feeling victimized by circumstances and start feeling empowered by them. This transformation begins internally, in the quiet space where your thoughts and interpretations live. The moment you decide to view a setback as a stepping stone instead of a dead end, its power over you dissolves and a new sense of direction emerges. Perspective is the lens through which you experience your entire reality. Two people can go through the exact same event, yet walk away with completely different interpretations and emotional outcomes. One may crumble under pressure, believing life is unfair. The other may take a deep breath, adapt and grow because they see adversity as training. This difference doesn't come from luck, intelligence, or privilege. It comes from mindset. If you perceive challenges as proof that you're not good enough, they will weaken you. But if you perceive them as tools designed to refine you, they will strengthen you. The challenge itself remains neutral. Your interpretation gives it meaning. This is why perspective is one of your greatest superpowers. It can turn fear into courage, failure into wisdom, and uncertainty into possibility. Confidence isn't something you're magically born with. It's built through experiences where you feel your resilience tested and learn you can survive discomfort. When you reframe challenges as growth opportunities, the fear surrounding them naturally begins to fade. You stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and instead ask, "What can I learn from this?" This subtle shift dismantles self-doubt because every difficulty becomes proof of your own adaptability. You begin to trust yourself not because life gets easier but because you recognize your ability to rise regardless of circumstances. Just as muscles grow through resistance, your inner strength grows every time you face adversity with the perspective of a student rather than a victim. Greatness is never born in comfort. The people you admire, the leaders, creators, innovators, and warriors throughout history, all became who they were because they embraced challenges that others avoided. They learned to welcome discomfort, confusion, failure, and unpredictability because they understood that these experiences carve clarity, resilience, and character. When you adopt this same perspective, you stop fearing obstacles and start appreciating them. You begin to see that every difficult moment has something to teach you about patience, discipline, self-control, humility, or courage. And as you grow through these lessons, you develop an inner stability that no external chaos can easily shake. Ultimately, embracing challenges is an act of self-leadership. You decide how to perceive what happens to you. You decide whether you will shrink or evolve. When you face adversity, pause and ask yourself, "What is this trying to teach me? How can I grow because of this? What strength can I develop right now?" These questions transform your mind from a place of helplessness to a place of power. And once you master the art of perspective, once you truly see challenges as growth, you no longer fear the storms of life. Instead, you step into them with purpose, knowing each one is shaping you into the person you are meant to become. 5. Influence. Surround yourself with growth. Your environment is one of the most powerful forces shaping your identity, your habits, your mindset, and your ultimate destiny. The people you spend time with don't just influence you, they sculpt you. Their beliefs become the beliefs you absorb, their energy becomes the energy you reflect, and their standards become the standards you adopt. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with," and he wasn't exaggerating. Whether you realize it or not, you are constantly picking up thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors from those around you. This means your environment can either elevate you or sabotage you. If you surround yourself with people who are driven, optimistic, and committed to personal growth, their habits and perspectives will naturally pull you upward. But if your circle is filled with negativity, complacency, or excuses, that energy will drain you and slow your progress. Influence is subtle, which is why it is so powerful. You rarely notice when someone's mindset is rubbing off on you, yet over time you adapt to the emotional tone of your surroundings. If everyone around you complains, you'll start to complain. If everyone procrastinates, you'll begin to procrastinate. If everyone avoids growth, you'll begin to shrink yourself to fit in. Humans are social creatures wired for connection, and because of this, we are shaped by our social environments more than we admit. This is why choosing your influences is not just important, it is essential. You must be intentional about the people you allow into your mental space, because they will affect your self-esteem, your motivation, and even your vision of what's possible for your life. Growth-minded people inspire growth within you. Being around individuals who challenge themselves makes you want to do the same. Their ambition sets a new standard for what you believe you can achieve. Their discipline normalizes effort and consistency. Their courage encourages you to take risks you might otherwise avoid. When you spend time with mentors, leaders, or peers who are committed to being their best selves, you naturally start adopting those same qualities. Their energy raises your ceiling. This is why people who achieve remarkable things so often credit the company they kept. They surrounded themselves with individuals who refused to let them settle for less than their potential. Just as positive influence builds you, negative influence slowly erodes your confidence, clarity, and drive. People who constantly criticize, doubt, or belittle your dreams plant seeds of insecurity. Those who gossip, complain, or live in chaos create an emotional environment where progress becomes difficult. You may not notice the damage immediately, but over time you begin shrinking to match the environment. This is why protecting your mental space is a form of self-respect. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. Not everyone deserves a seat at your table, and understanding this is a transformational moment in anyone's growth journey. Ultimately, surrounding yourself with growth means choosing relationships, environments, and communities that nourish the best version of you. Seek out people who push you, inspire you, challenge you, and expand your thinking. Gravitate toward mentors who have walked the path you hope to follow. Engage with peers who hold you accountable and celebrate your progress. Build a circle where effort is normal, dreams are respected, and growth is a shared value. When your environment aligns with your ambitions, success no longer feels like a lonely battle, it becomes a natural outcome. In the end, your influences shape your identity, and your identity shapes your destiny. So choose wisely, because the people around you are either fueling your rise or feeding your stagnation. Transforming your mindset isn't a one-time event, it's a journey. Awareness, decision, habits, perspective, and influence. These 5 steps can set you on a path to winning in life. Start today, take small actions, and watch how your life changes. If you commit to this, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Now go ahead and take the first step, because your new life begins the moment you decide it does.